Chhoyala. Namaskar. Hello. Today we will make a video on how to make chhoyala under Newari Recipe. Newer religion, culture and tradition is very popular in Nepal. Also, the dishes have their own unique identity. As this chhoyala is popular, other communities have also started making it. We will learn how to make chhoyala in two ways. 1. Traditional. 2. Easy. For this we have bought 6 kilograms of buff. First of all, we wash it well. Now break it into pieces. You can also buy meat separately from the market for this. Separate the flesh and skin. We can also use soft leather. Cut the meat into long, garland-like shapes that are about 1 centimeter thick and 1 inch wide. So that when burning or cooking, it cooks quickly and smoothly. You can make other dishes from the excess skin. For this we cut the skin into 1 centimeter wide and 2 or 3 inches long. Then place it in the sun until it dries. From this we can make attractive dishes, which I have already posted from Newari Kitchen. Don't forget to watch this too. Our buff cutting is done. Now keep some meat aside because we have to make chhoyala in 2 ways. We use a double-sided skewer to make traditional chhoyala. Make it a little looser. Now it is ready to burn. Straw is used to burn chhoyala because the fire is soft, so chhoyala cooks well. If you don't get straw, you can use other flammable materials. Turn the chhoyala upside down and cook the uncooked part with more fire. Our chhoyala was cooked well. Sweep the ashes. It is customary to add ginger juice to it. We stir slowly. Cut it into small pieces. People used to use choila in the past to cut the meat. We finished cutting the meat. It is about 1.750 kilograms. People love spicy chhoyala, but there is no need to make it spicy. So we are going to make both type of chhoyala. We use hot chilies for spicy and local for non-spicy. We use chili by frying them in soybean oil and making powder. We can use tomato for better taste, but it was not used in the past, so there is no need to use it. It is used by boiling or burning and making paste. Out of 1.750 kilograms, we will make only 1 kilogram of chhoyala. The spices required for this are the following: hot chili 1.5 teaspoons, garam masala 1 teaspoon for taste, turmeric 0.5 teaspoons, cumin powder 1.5 teaspoons, and salt 1 teaspoon. Another thing, we make 1 kilogram only another type of chhoyala. For this we use the same kind of spices. So we are preparing the spices for that as well, which we do not make spicy. So we use 2 teaspoons non-spicy chili, salt 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 1.5 teaspoons, turmeric 0.5 teaspoons, garam masala 1 teaspoon. Similarly, we have taken 50 milliliters of tomato paste. And Newar like to use pieces of coriander and garlic too. For non-spicy chhoyala, we use 2 teaspoons ginger, garlic 2 teaspoons, 2 teaspoons of garlic for non-spicy chhoyala, and ginger 1/5 teaspoons, because we have already squeezed ginger into it. Similarly, we have taken 100 milliliters roasted mustard oil. Let's pour the masala on the burnt chhoyala. Add little coriander and garlic pieces. And add tomato paste too. After adding oil, we mix it well by hand. This helps the masala penetrate deep inside. But there is no need to mix by hand. Now we move on to apply another method to make chhoyala. This is easier than the first. For this we put the rest of the meat in a 5-liter pressure cooker to boil. We have to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 5-liter of water. Cook it for 3 or 4 whistles or until half cooked. Even when using only a little water, the liquid came out. Pour the liquid into a tapes. We can use the liquid in dal or soup of mo. Now pour the half-cooked meat in an iron karai. Using an iron karai, it is less prone to scratching. Use a little mustard oil. We can also use a little soya sauce. Mix it from time to time. If it looks brown, it means it is ripe. Now let's start cutting it into small pieces. Look, it's about 3.5 kilograms. We have already said that we make only 1 kilogram of chhoyala through this process. For this we have also made masala. Use this too. Add tomato paste. Similarly, add some pieces of coriander and garlic. Adding oil, mix well. Let's test it.
It's